The battlefield of the future is no longer dominated by towering tanks or roaring fighter jets. It's a silent war, fought with precision, stealth, and technology so advanced it borders on science fiction. And in this relentless race, there is no room for rest. In the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, victory belongs to those who never stop innovating. Success today can turn into failure tomorrow, and the competition doesn't wait. Staying ahead demands more than skill, it demands an obsession with progress. Take Nano UAVs as an example. These tiny, almost invisible drones have become a soldier's secret weapon. They sneak into enemy territory, scout the unseen, and deliver life-saving intel. Currently, Turkey's special forces rely on the American-made Black Hornet Nano UAV. But now, a new contender is rising from within. A homegrown marvel, the Saka UAV. The rise of Nano UAVs. Picture this, a team of elite soldiers standing before a crumbling building deep in hostile territory. Inside could be anything, armed enemies, deadly traps, or even toxic gas. Stepping in blind is a death sentence. But a tiny drone, no bigger than a sparrow, soars silently inside. It sees everything, streaming critical intel back to the team. Now, the soldiers know exactly what they're up against. This is the power of Nano UAVs. They're not just tools, they're lifesavers. In tight urban spaces or dangerous environments, these miniature machines make the impossible possible. The Black Hornet, a silent titan. The Black Hornet Nano UAV is a legend in its own right. Imagine holding an entire reconnaissance system in the palm of your hand. That's the Black Hornet. It weighs just 33 grams, light enough to be carried anywhere, silent enough to avoid detection. It flies for 25 minutes with a range of 1.6 kilometers, delivering live, high-quality video. It operates in the most hazardous conditions, from radioactive zones to areas filled with chemical leaks. This little drone has become indispensable for special forces around the globe. The US has poured millions into it. The British Army, after a brief pause, couldn't resist its capabilities and came back for more. It's a technology that changes the rules of engagement. Enter the Saka UAV, Turkey's answer to the Black Hornet. But why rely on foreign tech when you can build your own? Turkey's answer is the Saka UAV, developed by Aselsan, a beacon of local ingenuity and ambition. Saka 1. It matches the Black Hornet's endurance but pushes the limits with a longer 2-kilometer range. With fully domestic software, it's as secure as it is innovative. Saka 2. Bigger, stronger, and built for tougher missions. Its 3-axis imaging system captures every detail, even in the most demanding scenarios. Both models are smart enough to find their way back home if something goes wrong. With swappable batteries, they're always ready for the next mission. A new era of defense. The rise of the Saka UAV marks a turning point. It's more than just a drone, it's a symbol. A declaration that Turkey is no longer content to follow, it's ready to lead. Localizing Nano UAV technology isn't just about cost or convenience. It's about sovereignty. It's about ensuring secure operations and taking control of the future. And with the Saka UAV, Turkey has taken its first bold step toward challenging global giants like the Black Hornet. But the journey doesn't end here. The race for dominance in the UAV world is far from over. The Saka UAV is still growing, still improving. And with every advancement, it brings Turkey closer to a future where innovation knows no limits. The message is clear: the skies belong to those who dare to dream, and Turkey's dreams are soaring higher than ever before.